Oh.
There it goes.
Oh.
Boom.
All right, we gotta get Brandy safely out of here.
Watch out.
Okay.
How'd you get on the roof?
We almost had it.
Almost.
Shit. Shit.
I'm gonna have to get on.
Why are they floating and we're not?
I guess they're heavy as
Oh no, we did not have two total vehicles. Oh, this sucks. What is it doing?
It's got water in the engine.
Oh, it's total.
It's coming down.
Hold on, Brandy, it's okay. Are you fucking kidding me?
I should get on top of the roof.
Work on, Brandy.
It's thundering.
Oh, it's starting to come in through the front here. Shit. Are you just doing that on purpose now?
No, he's trying to start it. I should get on the roof, Mama.
You're fine, Brandy. Here, look, we'll open this just in case.
Makes me feel better.
Okay, what do you want to do? Because this obviously isn't working. Are you thinking it's going to start at some point?
Yeah.